Good morning, dear students of class 7. All of you know that because of this lockdown we are here and we are giving you online classes. Today I am here to give you a class on biology, and the topic which we are going to take today is plant life. So this is it, plant life. Before we start this topic, I have a few questions for you. The first one. Do we require food? Yes, I know your answer is yes, we do require food. What about other animals? They too require food. If I ask you what about the plants, what would be your answer? Yes, they too require food to do their day-to-day activities like ourselves. But the difference between animals and plants nutrition is animals move from one place to another in search of food, whereas plants, they don't. They stand still in one place, in ground, and they manufacture their own food. They prepare their own food. And do you know what they are called? They are called autotrophs. Autotrophs are the organisms. They prepare their own food. Organisms that prepare their food on their own are called autotrophs. And this type of nutrition is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Whereas other animals, they have got heterotrophic mode of nutrition and they are called heterotrophs. Now, all of you know, right from the primary section you have studied about the process by which plants prepare their own food, and that process is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. It's a word derived from two words, photon and synthesis. Photon means light and synthesis means to build. Therefore, photosynthesis means building up by light. The plants prepare their food in the presence of light, not any other light but sunlight. They trap the solar energy to prepare their food. Now, how they prepare their food with the process photosynthesis? What are the raw materials required for this? Any idea? There are four requirements, the raw materials which are required for photosynthesis. The first one we have got carbon dioxide, second is water, third is sunlight, and the fourth one chlorophyll. One by one, I will be explaining about all these four raw materials. First one is carbon dioxide, and the chemical formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. All of us, we know that carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. In the leaves there are small holes, the minute pores, we call them stomata, and this carbon dioxide is taken from this small holes, stomata, for the plant, for the process photosynthesis. Next one is water, very important raw material that all of us, we know that water is present in the soil, and here you can see that roots are there. They have got very fine root hairs, and with which the plant absorbs water from the soil, and it goes in upward direction. Now you will be thinking how it goes up. There is a tissue called xylem that takes this water in upward direction. It takes it to the leaves, to the fruits, to the tip of the plant in upward direction. Third one is sunlight. Everyone knows sunlight, we get it from the sun. So here you can see the arrows, which shows that the plant is receiving sunlight. It is trapping sunlight. And how plants can trap sunlight? It is trapped in chlorophyll. Now what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in chloroplast. And that is why the leaves get its green color. All the leaves, most of the leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. And this is the one which traps the solar energy. Okay? So once again, all these four requirements, the raw materials, carbon dioxide is taken from the atmosphere by the leaves through its stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil by the root hairs, and with the help of xylem, it goes to the leaves. Sunlight, they trap the solar energy from the sun by chlorophyll, which is a green pigment, and it is present in the chloroplast of the leaves. Now you have understood how the plants make the chemical reaction takes place inside the chloroplast, where carbon dioxide and water, they give the food to the plant. And what is the food? Food is glucose. In simple words, we can say that is it sugar, which is prepared by plant. Once the photosynthesis is done, then this food which is prepared in the plant, in the leaves, it goes to the various parts of the plant. Now again, one more question. How this food is transported to various parts of the plants? One more tissue is there, which is called phloem, and that tissue takes the food to various parts of the plants. It also takes it to the root, where it is stored. Now we can say that photosynthesis is the process of using light energy. Light energy is sunlight energy, the solar energy. What it does, it converts carbon dioxide and water into glucose, that is sugar, and oxygen. Oxygen gas, which is very important for us, we respire and we take in oxygen. So plants provide us with oxygen gas. If you see the chemical reaction, you will find this carbon dioxide gas, which is taken from the atmosphere, combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and ultimately it gives glucose, oxygen and water. So this definition is there in your book also, and if you are looking for a simpler definition, it could be photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water. Once again, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water. Now we have come to the end of this topic, photosynthesis of chapter Plants Life. I will be giving you very simple assignment, only 2 questions. The first one, define photosynthesis. It is there in the book. You can take simpler definitions from net or elsewhere. And the next one, in this class we have shown you the picture of photosynthesis, the diagram of photosynthesis, which is also there in your textbook on page number 67, and figure is 4.1. So this diagram you need to draw in your biology exercise book. Now, since we have come to the end of this topic, stay at home, be safe, and bye till we meet again. Thank you.